Hello and welcome to Have Fun Cooking. Today we're going to be making eggless Greek yogurt brownies, and these are the ingredients that you'll need. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get our dry ingredients together. Okay, so the first ingredient is going to be a cup of flour. This is enough to put into an 8x8 pan. So you need 1 cup of flour, and then we're going to put in a half a cup of cocoa powder. And to that we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we just whisk this. Whisk this, get all the lumps out that you can, and we're going to set this to the side. You could also sift this first if you like. Okay, now set this to the side. Next, we're going to get our wet ingredients together. So, in your bowl, put in a half a cup of Greek yogurt. That's a half a cup of Greek yogurt. Stir this up a bit. This right here is homemade Greek yogurt. Store-bought works perfectly fine. But if you would like to know how to make this or buy yogurt once and have yogurt for the rest of the year, click the link above or click the link in the description box below. Go to that video and you can see how to make it. Okay, while you're making your brownies, make sure to preheat your oven on 350. Here's a half a cup of oil. Once you get this well mixed, then we're going to add our sugar. Okay, now add 1½ cups of sugar. Now mix this together well. Okay, now once you have that mixed, add a tablespoon of vanilla. You can also use vanilla flavored Greek yogurt. Just make sure you adjust your sugar because vanilla flavored Greek yogurt is already sweet. Now we're mixing this with our dry ingredients. Just make a little well here. Just put all of our wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. And just mix it till it's well combined. You don't want to overwork this batter. Now you're going to put this in an 8x8 pan that's lined with parchment paper. Now you have your lined pan. Now let's go ahead and put our brownie mix in there. If you want to put some walnuts in this, now's a good time to do that. You could do it in the bowl, mix up in the bowl just before you put it in the pan, or just wait till you get it in the pan and put it in there. Now put this in the oven on 350. Bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes, but check it at the 20-minute mark. This isn't ready yet, so leave this in for about 10 minutes more. This was only after the 20-minute mark. Okay, here's the brownies after 30 minutes, and this, let's stick this toothpick in. This is good. It's just a little bit wet, which means they should be gooey and fudgy. But if it was completely dry, they might be cakey. So let these cool completely, and then we can cut them. Okay, here are the brownies. I put them in the fridge and let them cool completely. So now we're going to cut into them. And here they are. Nice, fudgy, and gooey. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for future videos. And remember, have fun cooking.